I bet on myself.
Yeah, I bet on myself. Yeah, I bet on myself. I don't need you, I do it myself.
First of all, I know it's been months since I posted. I really got no excuse. But as of today, Sunday, February, is it 18? Yeah, February 18. In the year of our Lord, I'm definitely going to be posting consistently. I'm currently at the shop gym, Ashburn. There's a seminar happening right behind me for men's physique. So I'm just going to find a bunch of gym bros and just talk to them, see what they're doing, see when they're competing, some tips and tricks. You know, the whole shebang. All right, man, let's find some people. What's your name, bro?
I'm Steve. Let me hang.
Oh, my bad, bro. I'm Tom-Rad.
What's up?
You trying to compete anytime soon?
Yeah, I'm 2 weeks out from Arnold Classic Amateur.
That's what's up, man. Your first time?
No. I competed 4 years, but it's just kind of on and off.
What have you changed so far, like to get you ready for this competition?
And what's special is from last show I was fat, right? Talking about myself, I was fat, right? This show, I was leaner 4 weeks out than any of the show I've ever done, stage time. So right now I'm ready early. As you can tell by my mental state, I'm brighter. I'm not bright.
You're looking great, man. I definitely seen you up there, man.
I'm a little bit smarter now. We're just gonna coast through and get the condition nailed down.
All right, man. All right, good luck, man. Good luck with everything. Thank you for the time, bro.
Thank you for your time.
All right, man. You take it easy.
Alrighty.
Yes, sir. Just talking to strangers. That's all we're doing today.
Lead Issa.
All right, man. Are you trying to compete? Because I definitely saw you up on stage in the seminar.
Yes, I've actually been competing for 8 years now. I started in 2016. I'm still trying to hit that pro card.
Gotcha. What are you trying to change like this year to kind of get you that pro card?
This year, I'm trying to really get financially situated first. 2022, I kind of like just rolled the dice and went all in. Didn't care. Credit card, whatever I can do to pay to do my shows, thinking I was going to hit that pro card, and I didn't. And it kind of crippled me. Then I moved out here to Virginia, so I had to take off last year. This year, I think we'll be able to make it back on stage.
All right, that's what's up. What's your diet and your training regimen like?
I mean, it's a strict diet, but we still have pretty good carbs right now, so eating a good amount of carbs, about 7 ounces of protein per each meal. Training every day. Try to hit 6 days a week, so if I can't, 5. Again, work comes first, trying to make that money, you know what I mean? But even I do a lot of cardio too. So I mean, my work that I do is burn a lot of calories.
Do you know what show you're trying to hit?
Qualifying show, I don't know yet, but I do want to do North America. So something before then. Maybe I know they have one in Pennsylvania for a qualifier. I might hit that one. Then right after go do North America, as if it's all goes to plan.
Okay, and how long is that?
6 months.
Okay.
6 months.
So you pretty much just slim bulking?
We started our cutting phase. We're trying to slim down, get my weight down, so that way we're ready. Whatever show we pick, I won't need to do any preparation for it.
You're definitely gonna be looking crazy, man. Thank you so much for your time, man. Good luck with the show.
I said I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, man. Nothing too crazy, just talking to strangers. That's all we're doing today. All right, let's get up there.
I bet on myself.
I gotta talk to your boy. Your boy's a heavy hitter. I just wanted to talk to you for a little bit, man. That's cool, man.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Definitely a crazy physique. And I do appreciate like all that you did today. I'm trying to compete at some point. What's the first thing I should start doing to kind of like get my mindset and everything up there?
Man, I would say before anything, just make sure you pay attention to detail and you organize. That's the main thing. A lot of people, they not organized when they get into the sport, and they find out shortly that it's so many different things that you got to do, from eating, hitting the gym, getting body work, and even dealing with your personal life, because that don't stop. So
right.
if you can hone in on trying to be getting organized and making sure that you stay strict, you shouldn't have no problem. And like I said earlier, just keeping your mental together. You don't want to get into this, and your mental not, really there. You get your mental there, everything else will just fall into place, because you're gonna stay consistent.
8-time winner. Did you have to change anything from show to show, or you kind of like just figure out what works for you and then kind of just cruise from there?
Usually, with shows, show to show, I'm always trying to get feedback, because feedback is what makes you better. And what I mean by feedback is getting with the judge and asking them what you can improve on and making those slight adjustments. Because sometimes, people, they go into trying to get better, but they're not actually getting the feedback from the person, the judges that they need to get the feedback from.
Right,
you know, because those are the ones that's judging you. So when you get that feedback and they tell you making a, improve on something, and you improve on it, guess what? 9 times out of 10, they're gonna reward you because they see that you have listened for one, and you have made that improvement.
You live around here now, or what? Like you just coming?
Yeah, I'm just visiting. I'm in Atlanta right now, so you know I like DC, I like Virginia. So when Tony and them told me to come down, I was like, man, most definitely come down. You know, even though I got a few days left for the Arnold. This is fun. It puts me in my element. It actually hypes me up, you know, to see all the competitors, see everyone. It hypes me up because I was once at that point. So coming here, you know, having fun, you know, it's just like a big fellowship. That's all it is. So it just excites me.
All right, man. I appreciate you, man. I'll let you go, man. I'm not trying to hold you, man.
Anytime.
Take it easy.
You,
yes, sir. I need to get some sweatpants. I don't know. Hey, you got any sweatpants? Joggers.
But the new hot fleeces that are out.
Gotcha.
Show specials today.
Do you have kind of like a wide, you know?
No,
Just a tight?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Let's check out the tanks, man. Maybe we can find some. I haven't really seen anything that kind of is a vibe. I don't know. We're gonna have to come back, man. You're not busy, are you?
I've just been helping clean.
How long have you been coaching?
I have been coaching since 2013. Just as much as I've been competing. So yeah.
Okay. You're definitely one of the best guys out there.
I try.
Yeah, because I definitely heard a lot about you and all that stuff. So like, what do you think, makes you stand out from other coaches? What are you doing differently?
In my opinion, I was a competitor first. So moving from a competitor to a coach's status, this helps me relate to them. Okay, I know what they're going through. I know what they're going to go through, and I've experienced it. Okay, so just by my personal experience, it helps me transcend it into them, and just have them have a better experience.
What's the biggest mistake you think people make going to that first show, like prepping that first time to kind of hit the stage?
Following the basics. I cannot stress following the basics: water, sleep, exercise, nutrition, stress. Following the basic stuff. When they don't have that stuff entailed, that's the foundation. When they don't have that foundation solidified, there's no building. Okay, so those are the foundations you got to build first before anything else. That's just my personal intake.
I'm not trying to take your time, but thank you so much, man. I definitely see you around, man.
Likewise.
All right, you take it easy.
Thank you.
Nothing too crazy, just talking to strangers. This video is basically called Talking to Strangers, but definitely you're not a stranger on my channel. Seminar just ended. I've seen a lot of stuff about posing. What's like one thing you had to fix to put you at a better position on stage over everybody else?
I would say it would definitely be feet positioning and having your joints be in alignment. So when you're posing, you want to have your foot like sort of 9 degrees this way. Ankle, your knee joint in line with your ankle joint, in line with your hip joint, in line with your clavicle. Right, and so you're standing tall, you're turning, 45-degree angle here, and yeah, just having your feet set, solid foundation, and just being confident on stage. And also with my back pose, making sure that I'm contracting my lower lat. Because it's easy to just hit the back pose and only flex like the mid lat, but the lower lat is extremely important as well.
Thank you for the time, bro.
Appreciate it always.
Yes, sir. We're about to check out some stuff. Y'all got any sweatpants that are not like joggers, just like white? Oh man, you gotta get them, man. Yo, this kind of tough. I ain't gonna lie. That's right. I think I got one right here, but this might be too small. You want to see medium? Yeah, let me see that medium.
What does that mean?
You do the designs of this?
I come up with all the concepts.
There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one, man.
Air dry.
Do you take Apple Pay?
Yeah.
Aye.
Are we live right now?
Oh, we live.
What up, bro?
We're rolling, man. There we go.
Do you want a receipt, bro?
That's fine.
Thank you, my man. What was your name, bro?
I'm Tom-Rad.
Jake.
Jake, nice to meet you, man.
Welcome to the Victory Speaks family.
Hey, I appreciate that. Tell people your Instagram so that way they could just add you.
It's at Victory Speaks Apparel Co. on Instagram. Much love, guys.
All right, thank you, man. I think I'm just gonna wrap up the video. We came in, we saw what happened in the seminar. Got a few tips, even though I'm not trying to compete yet. I'm definitely gonna remember some of that. And I talked to a few people few strangers. I think half of those people I knew. We cop ourselves a shirt right here. I think we're gonna have to rock that at some point. I think the design goes hard. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.